However, we have released an optional patch update since the newest release. To update to a newer version using a zip patch, first, again, confirm your registration is current, then download the latest pupdate.zip at www.pcounter.com/support files/pupdate.zip. Once that's downloaded, open the zip file as well as a directory view of the NT server directory. Copy all files from the zip to the NT server directory and copy and replace all. Now close all of that, go back to Pcontrol and go back into the server configuration screen, back to the services and ports, stop the top two, use the update button, and you'll notice the version number has not changed, but the date stamp has on the printer control. The data server service version and date stamp both say the same. This is because the optional patch did not include an updated data server service. Now update the port as well. And start both services. The optional update is now complete as well. And again, if any errors were presented saying that specific files were locked, find the file and rename it to add a 1 to the end of the file name, then try the update procedure again. If you have any questions, please email us at support@pcounter.com. Thank you, and have a good day.